Despite huge growth in surfing worldwide, a paucity of research into the physical demands of competitive surfing confounds our ability to underpin training practice with empirical data. Coaches and sports scientists can now collect objective data on athletes' work rates via heart rate monitors, evaluate training loads, movement patterns and activity profiles of athletes via GPS units, and track athletes via time motion analysis. Currently, no research has used GPS units during any form of surfing. The use of such technology would provide us with more detailed performance analysis data. Therefore, this study incorporates the use of heart rate monitors and GPS monitors and video analysis to conduct a unique profile of surfing athletes during a competitive surfing event to provide descriptive data to underpin future research and practice. Method: 12 national-level male surfers volunteered to participate in this study. The subjects, who had a history of surfing at least 3 times per week and have competed for at least 3 years, were tested during the final 2 events of the competitive season. All the subjects were from the current top 30 ranked surfers in New Zealand and competing in the sanctioned New Zealand Surf Association competition. The subjects wore a GPS recording device and a polar heart rate monitor transmitter belt. A surfer's actions were classified as the following classifications. Results. Activity durations. The mean percent values of the time spent on each activity are presented in the figure. From the 32 videos analyzed, the greatest amount of time spent during surfing was paddling. In the figure, the mean frequencies of paddling and stationary bouts at different time intervals during a surfing heat are shown. Most of the paddling bouts were performed at time intervals of between 1 and 10 seconds. When combined with paddling intervals between 11 and 20 seconds, this represented 80% of the total dealing bouts observed during the heats. The longest period spent stationary was approximately between 1 and 10 seconds. When combined with the second largest stationary period of 11 and 20 seconds, the total accounts for 83% of the total stationary periods. The table shows the average continuous time spent performing activities, before changing to another activity. The most time was spent paddling, often because of paddling back to the takeoff area. Speeds. Average times, percent, per speed zone are presented in the figure. The highest percentage was in the slowest zone, between 1 and 4 km per hour. The percentage of time spent within each speed zone decreased to -5%, for all the zones major between 8 and 12 km per hour. The figure displays the averages within the wave speed zones. Distances. The average total distance covered per heat in Event 1 was 1,433 meters. The total mean distance covered per heat in Event 2 was higher, representing 1,806 meters. Heart rates. In the figure, the average heart rate of the subjects during both competitions are shown. The surfers spent 60% of the TT from 56 to 74% of age predicted heart rate maximum, 19% above 46% heart rate max, and approximately 3% above 83% heart rate maximum. Only 3 surfers from the competitions reached their heart rates 200 beats per minute.